Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to use the Lofted Cut. We will continue from where we left in the last lecture. Now the main function of Lofted Cut is to cut a solid model by removing material between two or more profiles. It works similarly to the Lofted Boss base, just that it removes material instead of adding it. Let's delete the central hole, so we can create another feature. We created this structure using 4 planes. Let's select all these planes, and click on the show icon. I am going to create the hole using the same planes. Let's create circles of different sizes on each of these planes. Now exit from the sketch. We have a geometry on every plane. Again, create a sectional view. Click OK. Go to Features. And select Lofted Cut. Select all 4 profiles. See, this has created a seamless surface that will be cut into a hole. We also have the guided curves option here. But since we don't have a guide curve, let's create the simple one first. Select OK. Look at the feature we have created using the Lofted Cut. Uncheck the sectional view, and see how it looks from the top and bottom. This is the last lecture for this module. The next module will be about operations to modify the part body, such as fillet, chamfer, and creating multiple copies using pattern, mirror, and many more commands. Let's look at the other options in the Lofted Cut command. Go back to the section view. Now we will see how a guided Lofted Cut is different from the normal one. First, delete this one. Right-click, and delete. The previous geometry is there. We will use the same geometry to create the new hole. Select the right plane, and sketch. Select normal. We will convert the circles to construction geometry, for our guide curve. Hide these planes, and declutter the screen. Now only the circles are visible. Select normal, and select all the circles, using the Shift key. Go to Sketch, and select Convert Entities. Now select all these lines, and select, for construction option. See, they have converted into construction lines. Go to Normal. And select the spline tool to create the curve. Now draw the path you want the hole to take. Just make sure that the curve touches the construction lines. Exit from the spline tool. We will use this path for the lofted cut this time. Go to Features, and select Lofted Cut. Select the profiles. Make sure you don't mix up the profiles and the guide curve. This was how the cut looked without the guide curve. Now let's select this guide curve. See the shape modified itself according to our selected path. Click OK. With this, we have finished 3 modules of this course. We have learned how to sketch basic shapes, perform sketch operations, and create 3D shapes and intricate features on it. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.